we got Today, let us learn common name of diseases or sicknesses in Dinka language from South Sudan. Number one, akorpo. Akorpo mean nausea. Nausea. You have nausea. Akorpo. Korpo or akorpo. Number two, dry. Dry mean fever. Fever. Number three, gargan. Gargan mean jaundice. Jaundice or sometimes called yellowing skin. Yellowing skin is called gargan. Number four, burjung. Burjung. Burjung mean chicken pox. Chicken pox is called burjung. It's caused by a virus. Tongol. Tongol. Tongol mean whooping cough. Whooping cough is called tongol. Agwatpo. Agwatpo. Agwatpo mean pneumonia. Pneumonia is called agwatpo. Nyanyel. Nyanyel. Nyanyel mean lung tuberculosis. Lung tuberculosis is called nyanyel. Sherinin. Sherinin. Sherinin mean cataracts. Cataracts. Cataract is called sherinin, is different from conjunctivitis. So the other videos that are coming, maybe 2 to 3, also talking about name of diseases or sickness in Dinka language. Please follow this page to learn Dinka with us by William Majak. Malekting. Tornalik Bye.